Hey guys, thanks for clicking. We really appreciate that. So today we're doing a tree cleanup. I know Kelly's lawn service has turned into Kelly's tree cleanup service. I don't know what's going on with this. There's just trees everywhere. Anyway, we have a tree, neighbor's backyard. We're gonna clean it up and we have to drop a little piece of it broke in a storm. So we're gonna flip this around. We'll show you what we got and how we're gonna do it. Hey.
Hi.
What are you doing? You getting ready?
Yeah, I was setting up the pole saw.
Okay.
Attachment. So
This guy's gonna, you're
some other stuff.
gonna go cut that branch over there because it fell and it's in the way. So this way, we're not on top of each other, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it saws.
And there she is. It's pretty biggin'. Broke over there, goes all the way up, across. And it goes way up almost to that other big tree up there. So we're gonna get in, we'll probably start from the top, get all these branches cleaned up, and then we'll work our way down. And then I don't know if we're gonna cut that stuff up and split it here. Looks like pretty big stuff. We might just bring the splitter right over here in this flat area and just split it all there, and then we'll take it out in the trailer. Might be easier. So yeah, we're gonna get started up here. Like I said, we'll get all this stuff cleaned up. There's a lot of heavy brush here. What is it? It's April. It's about mid-April now. So nothing has really come in yet. So this is a great time to get in there and clean this up. Okay. So we're making some progress here. This guy's taking all the branches and cleaning them up down there, which is where a lot of the scraps will go. And then I got a lot of the small stuff cut up. This is all pretty good firewood. I think it's maple. I'm not sure what it is, but this will dry up good. And then now we're starting to get into the heavy part of the tree here, so we might go get the machine and kind of push it out of the way here to make it easier to cut up. It is still hung up a little bit on this tree down here, and there is a significant amount of weight to this tree. So even though it's on the ground, she's still pretty dangerous. As you can see, this thing is a beast. And it is still hung up over here. So there's a lot of pressure on that. So when you're cutting into this stuff or you're moving it, you gotta be really careful because that can kick back and it can roll over like right on top of you very easily. And we want to try to avoid that by all means. She goes way up there. So we're gonna work our way down. This guy's getting more branches. She's such a hard worker. Hi, Sky. All right, so we're moving along pretty good. We got her sliced up all the way to here. But now we're gonna grab the machine here and lift up because we got a lot of weight on it. and I want to lift it up because I haven't got the chainsaw stuck yet, but I prefer not to. And here comes Miss Sky with the tractor. I'm gonna bring it down. Get it straight. Wow, that's pretty good. Curl the bucket. Easy. All right, go in a little more. All right, lift up. Come back. Give the tractor back. Okay, nice and slow. Pull the bucket up. Keep going. Hang on. Gotta move from block. Oh, we're making out pretty good. We've got most of the big rounds piled up over there. We're actually gonna split them right here on the job instead of back at our place, because why not make noise here instead of there? And we got a nice little flat area to do it in, so we're gonna finish getting this stuff here. We do have to go get that big tree in the back there that's laying down. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's back there. We gotta clean that one up too. But in the meantime, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna move our little toy here, and we're gonna take down the rest of that tree that's broken there and clean up that, and that's where we're at for now. All right, guys, so that's it. We've got it pretty cleaned up. We're gonna come back and we'll make another video on splitting all those rounds we have piled up over here. And we will do another cleanup on the woods area, but we wanted to get the tree out and we're running out of time today. So thank you for watching.
Bye.
You guys have a great day. Peace.
Thank you.